Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Uncle Roger's style egg fried rice. First, gather your ingredients: day-old rice, eggs, garlic, and green onions. It's crucial to use cold, leftover rice for that perfect texture, not fresh, sticky rice. Chop your aromatics finely and crack your eggs into a bowl, ready to go. Having everything prepped ensures a smooth and quick cooking process, which is key for delicious fried rice. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok until it's smoking. Pour in your beaten eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just cooked but still soft. Remove the eggs and set them aside. Add a little more oil, then toss in your minced garlic and a small amount of ginger, stirring until fragrant. This step builds the foundational flavors for your rice. Now it's time for the rice. Add your cold, day-old rice to the very hot wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Keep the rice moving constantly to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a dash of sesame oil, and a pinch of white pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, then reintroduce your scrambled eggs and the green parts of your green onions. Continue to stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and the rice is piping hot. Give it a quick taste test and adjust any seasoning if necessary, perhaps a little more soy sauce or pepper. Serve immediately for the best experience. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can help keep your kitchen spotless, please see the link in the description below, along with other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.